Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add image in Excel. So let's start this maxel. Simply select the one cell and go to the insert tab. In illustration group, click on the picture options, and here in insert picture from there are three options available. The first one, this device, it means the picture you can add it from this device, from this your laptop. Okay, and the second option, the stock images, there are stock images also available. You can add the image from the stock images. And third is the online picture. You can add image from online also. Okay. So let's click on this device. Okay. And here one dialog box is opened, insert pictures dialog box. Okay. Here automatically picture folder is open. Okay. So I just go to the downloads, and here I added some pictures. Okay, I just click on the pictures 3. Okay, and click on it, and that's it. You can see your pictures is added. See, this is a way you can easily add image in your Excel. Okay, with this picture format also added, you can use this formatting option also. Okay, for picture style, just click on this drop down arrow and select your the style to show. So here you can say different style is available. Okay, see the changes over here. Okay, this is the way you can use the other option also. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.